Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore custom shape map pin icon in Photoshop. Create a new document in Photoshop. Select the custom shape tool. From the shape library, choose a map pin shape. Then draw the pin on the canvas. Change its fill color to bright red. Duplicate the shape using Ctrl plus J. Resize the duplicate slightly smaller. Change its color to darker shade. Move it down a little to create depth. Select the lisp tool. Now draw a small circle in the center of the pin. Change circle color to white. Align everything to the center. Zoom in to refine edges. Add subtle shadows if needed. Map pin looks clean. Custom shape icon ready.